Hey everyone, we're here in the office today. Just wanted to take a minute and show you how you can find a roofer on Google. That seems really simplistic and most of us use Google all the time, but just wanted to share what the different results are when you Google something. A lot of times you're seeing a number of ads that aren't necessarily super clear that they're ads, and just show you why certain companies are in certain positions on Google. So just sharing my screen here, what I typed into Google is roofing company, or if I type in roofing company near me, I'm gonna probably get similar results. And so the first thing that you're typically gonna see if you're searching for a service type business, so whether it's a roofer or an HVAC company or a plumber, Google has this program called Google Guaranteed. And it's actually pretty cool, and I think a lot of homeowners don't realize the benefits of working with someone through that program. If you respond to one of these ads on Google Guaranteed, and this is a paid service by the way, these are ads right here. But if you use a company that's Google Guaranteed, Google will guarantee their performance up to a certain dollar amount. And I don't know if that's the same dollar amount across all trades. You can look into that a little bit more. But what's cool about it is if you use one of these companies and you get scammed, Google essentially provides insurance against being scammed by one of these contractors. So that's pretty cool, but these are typically going to be your top results. You can see we pop up here. This is typically on a rotation. There is an algorithm that decides which company gets fed into this list. But typically these are companies that are going to be vetted by Google. You have to go through a background check and document certain information, and they verify that you're a legitimate business that actually takes decent care of people. Just because someone's Google Guaranteed doesn't mean that they're perfect, but these are always going to be your top results on Google. Again, these are not organic, so people are paying to be in these spots, so just keep that in mind. If you're looking for someone who's super close by, that's not necessarily these first boxes here. The next thing you're going to see is what people typically refer to as the map pack. And there's different reasons why companies show up in the map pack, but these are more organic. Again, there is some algorithm that Google uses to say, okay, these are the companies that we're going to show more and these are the ones we're going to show less. You can see several of our competitors here, and here's Property Revolution. Part of the reason we're right at the top here right now is because we're actually sitting in our office and Google knows that Property Revolution is close by to our location. But as you get farther out, you'll see Property Revolution at the top of the map pack till you get farther and farther away. Then other companies will kind of shift to the top. So you can see some of our competitors located nearby. Now there are two features here. You've got a list of companies, but then also in the map, it's showing everyone or every company that's in the area. So you've got Hutcherson Construction, competitor of ours that does a really great job, and some others as well. So that's what the map pack is. You can't pay to just show up in the map pack. So this is a truly natural way to Google a business that's near you. So if you're looking for someone close by, you definitely want to make sure you at least scroll down to the map. These are going to show you the companies that are closest to you. And then after that, you have some organic results. Leicester, one competitor of ours in Kalamazoo area. You've got Angie's List, which is typically going to be near the top of any results for any trades or services on Google. Better Business Bureau, GAF, which is a major manufacturer for roofing. And then you keep scrolling down, you're going to see more things. Now the sneaky part on Google is you're also going to see little blocks like this, and they say sponsored. These are also ads. Sometimes you'll also see an ad. Let's see if they've got one here. There is an ad on the map pack. This one says sponsored. So Google obviously is in business to make money, and they're shifting some of these towards the top. So as you're scrolling through Google, just pay attention to that. If you don't mind clicking on an ad and getting a direct contact with a company, that's what those are going to do for you. If you're truly looking for someone local and nearby, your organic rankings or listings or the map pack listings are probably going to be your best bet. But it can be a little tricky to sort out on Google what's an ad, what's not an ad. So that's a key indicator, is if you see that little sponsored block up in the upper left-hand corner. I hope this helps. If you need a roofer here in Allegan County, Michigan, or Kalamazoo or Kent counties, feel free to reach out to us at Property Revolution. We'd be happy to help. Thank you.